Hey guys, Ben here from If Nutrition, and in today's video I'm going to cover something that comes up time and time again, and that is newbie gains. But before we get into it, I'd love to know, how long have you been training for? Let me know in the comments below and let's get into the video. So firstly, when we refer to newbie gains, what are they and how do they work? Now, newbie gains are the gains that you make when you first start out training in the gym, hence the newbie bit. Now, in your first year, you're going to probably gain the most amount of muscle you ever will, because your muscles are simply as far away from your genetic potential as they possibly can be, because you're starting off in an untrained state. The more muscle you put on, the closer you become to your genetic potential, i.e. the biggest you can get, so the harder it's going to be for you to gain muscle quickly, naturally. Now, by that I mean without using things like performance enhancing drugs, things like steroids. Now, if you are using performance enhancing drugs, things like steroids, and you're jacking your testosterone through the roof, then obviously the numbers that I'm going to be giving you aren't going to really apply, because you're messing around with nature, so you're obviously going to gain quicker. But as everybody knows, if you're taking things like steroids, then you're going to get a load of side effects, which in my opinion are not worth it. So if you want to do it naturally, this video applies. If you're not doing it naturally, this video isn't going to apply. But for those that are going to be doing it naturally, in your first year, you're going to want to be aiming for around 6 to 12 pounds of muscle. And this is going to depend on your genetics and how you are training. Now, good nutrition and progressive overload are key here, as if you're not getting it right, everything is just going to take longer. Now, if you're gaining more than what I've said, it's more likely that you are gaining fat, or you're using PDs. There is a 1 in a million chance that you just have freakish genetics and you are just one of these freaks of nature that basically step in the gym, eat your protein and just grow at an insane rate. But people like that are few and far between. So like I say, if you are gaining more weight than what I am saying, it's probably you are putting on more fat or you are using performance enhancing drugs. Now, in your second year of training, it's going to be more like 4 to 8 pounds, as you're now in a trained state, so the amount of muscle that you're going to gain is going to gradually slow. Now, in your third year of training, you're going to be looking at around 3 to 6 pounds, again slowing still, and then around 2 to 4 pounds a year from then on. Now, like I say, this is going to depend on your genetics, your nutrition and your training, and also if you are doing this naturally. The bottom line is you will put on more muscle when you start training, so you want to make the most of it. Also, if you are a guy over 30 looking to get in the best shape of your life, then check out my free playbook for the over 30s in the description of this video, which will show you the 3 keys to achieving just that. As always, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, smash the like button. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos just like this to help you achieve your best body ever without having to live in the gym or eat food that you hate, and I will see you in the next video.